In this video, I simply want to clean this up some, so that way our AnimGraph looks a bit neater. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cache some of the poses. So we're going to separate this out. So I'm probably going to do everything from right here and back as a pose. And then everything from here to here as a pose. And then just our left hand be separate. So after the transform modify bone, we can't simply type cache. We have to convert from component to local, and then we can cache the pose. Let's add a new one, and let's give it a name of, let's see what all this one does. Let's do positions set. And then we can get that. So positions set, we can plug that on in. And let's try to neaten this up a bit. So we can actually move this kind of back and down here where this one starts. Then we have to link all this up like so. Okay. So let's cache this one. Well, we can actually remove that, and let's cache this. This one's going to be, let's see, what do you call this one? IK done, I guess. Or just IK set to follow along with the name. I'll take care of that. And then we can use that. So IK set, plug that into the component pose. Neaten it up a little bit. And there we have the left hand pretty much being done. I'm going to move all that, drop it down. And I can actually take probably this section. I'll just move this out of the way instead. That'll be a little bit simpler. Oops. Oh, I did not know that did that. That's a neat trick. Okay, we have all that, we have all that. We have you moved out of the way. Let's drop you down and over. And there we go. So let's just confirm that everything still works. Which it does. Okay, so I'm going to save all. And our animation graph has been cleaned up a decent bit. So again, that was all we were going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. And if you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon down in the description below, where I have a team deathmatch series just for Patrons, as well as you get early access to all of my videos, such as this one. If you have any questions, anything like that, feel free to join my Discord that's also linked down below, and I'll try to help you out.